Hello guys, today we're actually going to be scrapping, or at least I call it scrapping. We're going to be deconstructing this little old microphone. It is very old, broken. The top half is long gone. Some of this rim is gone, as you can see. There was a little bit of fuzzy parts, like right there, but you know, I'm just kind of taking that out. I took a good bit out before this video started, but yeah, there's a lot in there. But we're actually not going to be starting from the top, even though it's all broken. We're going to be starting right there. So, let's set her up. There we go. Oh, come on, is it working? Technical difficulties, well, not really technical difficulties, but I'm trying to give you guys a good shot, but kind of hard to do that. Does this screwdriver even work on that screw? Oh no. Is it not working? Huh. Okay. Guess we are going to be working from the top down. Wires. No, huh. Come on, mate. Right there, that screw right there does not want to come off.